for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party.
Guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a huge collective makeup haul. So basically this is going to be my summer makeup haul. Over the past 2 months since summer started, I have accumulated a quite large pile of products, so that means I will be doing a haul, obviously, as the title says, but I have been wanting to film this video for a while, and I'm finally just like, let's just do it. So here I am, just gonna do it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. I'm gonna start with PR. So I've had 2 brands send me PR. I got sent PR from Unique Cosmetics. There was a couple of other things. I had like a lip liner and eyeliner, but I'm not exactly sure they are. But Unique Cosmetics is a quite large brand actually on Instagram, but they are amazing. This mascara is the Mood Struck mascara by them. It's my all-time favorite. And then they sent me a couple of eyeshadows as well to try out, which are stunning. And then, like I said, they sent me a lip liner and an eyeliner and a couple of samples. The other brand that I got PR from was Pixie Beauty sent me PR. How insane is that? I'm sorry about the loud trucks in the background. How insane is that? I got sent PR from Pixie Beauty. They sent me their new vitamin C collection. I got 5 products and I use them every single day. I would get them out, but like I have everything already set out, and that's just way more stuff I have to go grab. But thank you so much, Pixie. I am so happy to be on the PR list. I have one more little set of goodies of things that I did not buy myself. I won a giveaway this summer. I won a Twitter giveaway, and these are the few products that I got sent. So I got a Catrice blush. I got the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, which I used today, and I am obsessed. It's stunning and it's so beautiful. I mean, just look at this eyeshadow. And then I got sent a ColourPop lip duo. This is the Zoella X ColourPop Little One Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner. I love this color, this liner especially. 2 BH Cosmetics loose glitters sent to me. Got those. And then the very last item is this ColourPop loose pigment in Red Zone, and this is super pretty. I haven't used it yet. I honestly feel like it'd be a really pretty highlighter, but I also got that. Okay, so I'm going to start with the indie brands. So I got sent, well, I didn't get sent, I bought from my friend Alina. Her cosmetic line is called Nature Lashes, just like this. I bought her new loose highlighter in Goddess, and it is gorgeous, and I cannot wait to try it out in a new video. And then she also gave me an under eye mask and a lip mask for extra, just because I bought from her and she's super sweet. Go buy from her. My friend Chandler has a discount code with her, and I believe it is Chan, to get 20% off. Go support her. She just came out with a ton of new products. She had new lash boxes and also neon pigments and some new lash styles released. I also bought from Rosie B Lashes. They were having a 70% off sale on their lashes, I believe. So I got these 2 from them. Really like these ones. I believe these are Queen Bee. And then I also bought from AliExpress. Not all of my lashes from them have come in the mail. I'm still supposed to get 2 more pairs, but I just wanted to film this video. So I bought these 2 right here. They're super wispy and they're super gorgeous, and I can't wait to try them. And then I also bought these 2, and these ones are super duper long. I'm like honestly scared to use these ones, I'm not even sure where I would wear these. Like, look at how long those are. But there are 2 more pairs coming in the mail. Also bought from Skedit Beauty. I bought 3 things from them. I bought their new Lucid and Obscured palette. They were having it 50% off as soon as it launched. And then I also have a code I use with them. So I got it for like 70 or 75% off. But it just looks like this. It is a stunning palette. I love it so much. I've used it multiple times. Like, just look at those shades. Aren't those just stunning? And I also bought from their new Crybaby collection that they just launched. So I bought the style Fake Tears, but look how cute this packaging is. I love it. So I bought the style Fake Tears, which just looks like this. And I also bought Pretty Lies, which just look like this. Like I said, they're stunning. Then I bought from Badass Cosmetics. I have their neon pigments, like their loose neon pigments, and I love them. This brand has always been super duper supportive. So they had their new Chronic palette on sale. I love the packaging for this. I think it's so cute. But they had their new Chronic palette on sale, and I was like, I love this brand. They're super supportive, so why not just buy it? So this is what this looks like. It is absolutely stunning and I love it. It's so pigmented, so blendable. So now I have all of the things I bought from Ulta. So at the beginning of summer, I bought the Alyssa Edwards palette. As you guys saw, I made a review for this. This palette is absolutely stunning. It is so pigmented. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy I have this in my collection. The Anastasia Dewy Set Setting Spray. This is amazing. I'm obsessed with it. I love it with like literally all my heart. This is like, she is A1 since day one, like a ride or die from now on. I got a little Cover Effects set. It came with their Water Cloud Primer, their Perfect Setting Powder, and their High Performance 24-Hour Setting Spray. Then in that same order, I bought 2 things from Kylie Cosmetics. I bought the Kylie highlighter in Ice Me Out. I love this highlighter. I believe you guys have seen me use it once or twice, but it is so pigmented, so stunning, so blinding. I've had multiple people ask me what highlighter I'm using. And then I also bought one of her bronzers in Tequila Tan. It just looks like this. Then I also got the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel Mascara Duo. This is what I've been using on my brows every single day since I bought it. It's so good. Like, even if I'm only wearing mascara, I always wear this. It is amazing. And I also purchased the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. You have heard me use this once or twice. I used it in my new back to school makeup tutorial. It's super good. I totally recommend it. Go get it. It is so good. Last couple of items in this haul. I got a free gift with purchase. I got this Sugar Rush Preppy eyeliner and a mini Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. And that also came with this really pretty pair of lashes. Like, actually, I'm surprised how pretty these are. Because usually, like, if you get free stuff, it's usually like not very nice. But these lashes look stunning. And I bought 2 new foundations. I'm so excited. I am actually wearing one of them today. The review should be up before this haul. I'm today wearing the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. This so far, I mean, go watch that video if you haven't already. And the very last thing is the new Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. I'm going to be filming a video using this. I'm actually going to be filming a video using newer makeup. So I'm going to be using these products in an upcoming video, and I've heard good things about it. I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna work on dry skin, but it was only $20. and I've wanted it since it released. I got the shade Alexandra 650, which is supposed to be for light with neutral undertones, and I bought this online, so hopefully I did a good job matching myself. It's just so cute. But that is everything I bought this summer. I did buy a Makeup Revolution, or maybe it's I Heart Revolution. It's like their mini chocolate bar highlighting duo palette, and I got it in the mail and it was completely shattered, so there's a new one on the way. But other than that, this is everything I purchased this summer. I spent way too much money. I am currently on a no buy, sadly, but I really like the products I've tried out of these, and I'm so glad to have added them all to my collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.